weekend, something new is coming to Minneapolis. For the first time, a new center for 2S LGBTQIA+ youth will open its doors, and there's a lot to celebrate. To tell us a little bit more, we have Nikki Hangsleben in the house with us, the founder and executive director of the Queer Space Collective. I'm excited to talk to you about this because this space seems so unique. You got to tell me a little bit more behind the idea of even creating something like this in the first place.
Yeah, well, thanks for having me here. It's great to be here. So Queer Space Collective, we do mentorship for queer and trans youth. We saw a lot of struggles and a lot of mental health crisis with our young people, and so decided we wanted to start a mentorship program and match them with queer and trans adults, and that's just been exploding. We've been doing that for about 3 years. We started doing inclusivity training to help other youth organizations be more inclusive, and we kept hearing from the community, like, where's the queer space? And so in January, we started looking around and we found this amazing place on Franklin and Lyndale in the heart of Minneapolis, and we're opening a youth center. That's grand openings on Sunday. It's happening. Wow. It's been like a lot in the works here, so it's exciting to say, like, grand opening is Sunday.
First of all, congratulations. Yeah. That's really hard work.
Thank
Anybody
you.
out there who's ever done community work, you all would understand that it's one thing to have an idea. It's another thing to connect people in the way that you're connecting people.
Right.
And then it's another thing to actually, like, create a physical space. Like, I'm so excited for you all. That is awesome. Okay, so you gotta tell me a little bit, one, about the power of mentorship, because I'm a big advocate of mentorship. Why do you think that was such an important tool and avenue to provide for the community?
Yeah, well, I grew up with a queer mom in the 90s, so I was surrounded by queer community. So when I came out in the late 90s, early 2000s, I already had this network of support. And so when I started looking around and I checked out, like, who was doing mentorship for our kids, I saw that there's 5,000 mentorship programs across the country, and less than 10 of them are focused on LGBTQIA+ youth.
Wow.
Yeah.
Those numbers are staggering. That surprises me.
I know. 10, not 10%, like 10.
10?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And so we know that queer and trans youth, if they have an adult in their life, that they are 40% less likely to attempt suicide. And we just know that, like, providing, I mean, we all need mentors, right?
Yes,
and
we
so
do.
Like, providing mentors where you can, like, show up as your authentic self, you can like work with them to navigate tricky situations, and you can just, like, hang out and have fun. Yeah.
Yes, that's powerful.
Yeah.
That's more powerful than I think some people understand until they experience it, right? So tell me a little bit about how people can utilize this and get involved with you all.
Yeah, so if you're part of the community and you want to be a mentor, we're always looking for mentors. You can sign up right on our website. We're having a big Spirit Day event on Sunday and a grand opening. So if you want to come, it's again, it's the Watkins building right on Franklin Avenue and Lyndale Avenue south of Minneapolis. You can donate to our organization and
Spirit Day. What do we need for Spirit Day? That sounds fun.
Yeah, it's super fun. We'll have drag queens and live music and activities and art projects and all kinds of fun stuff. And you can come check out the space at the same time. This is our fourth annual Spirit Day.
Okay.
Third, fourth. Okay, I can't remember. But we've been doing it every year, and so it's a big party to really celebrate LGBTQIA+ youth in the broader community, and everyone is welcome.
Well, you heard it there. Spirit Day is Sunday from 1 to 4 at the new Youth Center on Lyndale Avenue. Of course, we'll have all the details for you at KARE11.com/noon.